What does a healthy ecosystem sound like? It sounds like the wind moving through the agave, like rain returning to the soil, like pollinators moving from flower to flower, like birds, insects, and wildlife reclaiming their place in the landscape. These sounds often go unnoticed, yet they tell us everything. They tell us that life is thriving, that the land is recovering, that nature is doing what it was designed to do. This is more than agriculture. This is regeneration. And this is the sound of Torrente Tequila, born to regenerate.